Welcome to the Moving Services Chatbot Preview. This smart chatbot is designed to simplify how customers plan and book relocation services, making their moving journey easier, well organized, and completely effortless. The interaction begins with a warm welcome message followed by a main menu featuring 4 service options: home moving, office moving, our policy, and contact us. These are standard industry options, but they can be fully customized to suit individual business needs and requirements. When a user selects office moving, the chatbot initiates a short and guided questionnaire to collect all essential details, including the company name, current office location, relocation address, shifting date, and packing requirements. After the user submits this information, the chatbot generates a clear summary of the request for review. Once the user confirms the details, the chatbot instantly shares a confirmation message, successfully completing the booking process. With a seamless, guided, and user-friendly experience, this moving services chatbot ensures stress-free relocation planning all through a simple and efficient conversation. Now that we have explored the chatbot preview, let's look at how to install a template in ihakimi. From the dashboard, navigate to the template store. Here, you will find a wide range of multi-industry templates. Select the template you would like to install and you will be taken to the installation screen. On this page, you will see a short summary of the template and its basic content. Click Next Step to continue. In the next step, you can either choose an existing boat or create a new one. After selecting the boat, copy the template you want to install and click Create Boat. A new folder containing the installed template will automatically appear inside your selected or newly created boat. Now, let's step inside the flow builder. This is where our start node resides, the point from which every chatbot conversation begins. From here, we access the welcome node and the main menu options, all of which can be customized based on your business needs. Each menu option opens its own individual flow. Within these flows, we can display all types of content through different nodes. This structure makes it easy to create rich, interactive, and fully customizable chatbot experiences. And that completes our walkthrough of the Moving Services chatbot, template installation process, and flow builder overview.